So if you clicked on this video looking for new ways to sign clients for your agency, then we've got a big problem, because this is a big fundamental problem within the agency space where everyone is always looking for the new secret way to sign clients, and they go on this search in hope that there's something that they haven't seen before, and it can be some magical key that can just unlock the door to some insane agency growth. Because here's the thing, right? Everyone is constantly talking about how to sign clients, need to sign clients, how to do the best outreach, what's your cold email script, and all these fucking tactics on how they can hack their way to get as many clients as possible. But this is the fucking problem with the industry. Here's a good one for you. Have you ever thought about focusing on client retention instead of client acquisition? And this is a big fucking problem, because all the agency content online is about how to grow an agency, how to sign clients, how to do cold email outreach, how to do cold DM, how to do cold calling. But there's a severe lack of fucking good content out there that shows you how to actually get your clients results so they actually stay with you longer than 3 fucking months. Because let's think about it, right? Let's say that you are a farmer who is planting seeds and growing your crops so you and your family can eat. And what you do, you go and plant some crops and they start to grow. But as soon as you plant the initial batch, then you go to the next field and you try and plant the next. And then you're looking at different types of seeds and fruit and veg to grow. And the hope is that the new one that you grow is better than the stuff that you already have. And what happens is that the farmer's so focused on trying to grow new and better crops that the initial crops that started to grow, well, they didn't get attended to, they didn't get nurtured, so they eventually died. And then the farmer's left, obviously, with no food left to provide for him and his family. And it's the exact fucking same thing with agency owners. Always on the search for new and better clients or new and better ways to acquire clients. And they spend less than 5% of their time actually nurturing, building relationships, and trying to retain their current clients. Like, do you guys not understand how much money you could literally make if you just focus on creating loyal and satisfied customers? But I suppose that is the sad point of where we're at with the industry. It's a sad state of affairs, but literally agency owners are happy if a client stays with them for 3 months. And that's all they see when they sign the client. They just see them as a 3-month retainer. It's like, cool, give me a fucking credit card, I'll bill you 5k today, another 5k in 30 days, another 5k 30 days after that, and then off you go. Because I don't actually give a shit if I get you results or not. All I care is that you have signed the contract so I know I can bill you for the next couple of months. But I promise you, your whole business will dramatically improve if you actually focus on getting your clients results. But all you boys fucking care about is closing a new client, taking your crappy Stripe screenshot, sending it into a mastermind so you get all the congratulations, you get all the clout, and you feel fucking fantastic about yourself because you signed a new client. But little do all the other agency bros in your mastermind know that behind the scenes, your business is falling fucking apart. Your clients hate you, you get no results, they're dissatisfied, you're getting Stripe chargebacks, and the whole company, if we can even fucking call it that, is a complete fucking mess. So how about this, right? Just listen for me for a sec. Instead of, for the next 90 days, going on some mad client acquisition sprint, trying to send as many cold emails and cold DMs as possible, don't do any fucking outreach, right? I know it's going to be hard for you to commit to, but for the next 90 days, don't do one little piece of cold outreach to try and sign a client. All you're going to do for the next 90 days is commit all your time, effort, energy, and resources from yourself and any other fucking employees or contractors that you have, and your sole focus is to just improve the results of your current clients and ensure that they stay with you longer. Because once you've signed a client and you get them results and they stay with you for 1 to 2 years, that's going to be worth more to you than signing 4 or 5 clients on some crappy 3-month contract where you deliver no results. And not only are you going to earn more money, it's more consistent, your team morale isn't going to be dropping through the fucking floor because you don't get any clients results. Your team is going to be actually fulfilled by the work that they do because they know they are doing good work and actually helping businesses. And your clients are going to be happier. So you don't fucking dread opening Slack on a Monday, seeing all the fucking notifications, not wanting to open it and look at them in case there's a message there that you don't like. And it'll just make for an overall healthier and happier business. So remember, client retention over client acquisition. Thanks, boys. Have a good one.